Now, the strike zone for us is Midlands area of SC, right? So we're talking Columbia, Lexington, Blythewood, and beyond, where now, I'm not going to go over the contract stage in this video. Those of you that have worked with us already know. Hot lead, let's tee it up. Let's take a quick look, underwrite it, and if it makes sense, we can place it in front of some of our strategic partners. Now, I know what you're probably thinking right now. Land development, it's risky, it's too hard, not enough buyers. How am I going to get in the game? Again, guys, you don't have to be the master of all trades. Real estate investing, and specifically creative real estate investing, real estate is a team sport. And by building your community, by getting an inner circle of people around you who are smarter than you, who have different unique skill sets, you can start to build up your Rolodex of strategic partners who you can get in the game and do deals with. Again, when the whole team is winning, more opportunities come into the fold. And when you approach it with an abundance mentality, that's where attraction starts happening, right? That's where opportunities start coming into your lap, and you can get together with your partners, your comrades, your battle buddies, and make sure that we can get some of these things to the closing line. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and share some of our buy boxes that we're focusing on in the South Carolina region. Now, the strike zone for us is Midlands area of SC, right? So we're talking Columbia, Lexington, Blythewood, and beyond, where again, we'll have a target buy box drawn up there. Aiken and Augusta, right? So Aiken, South Carolina is on the South Carolina-Georgia border. Aiken and Augusta markets are prime picking for development opportunities as well. So any opportunities that fall into this buy box, make sure that you send them our way as well. Atlanta, Georgia is a gold mine. We have strategic partnerships in Atlanta. Regardless of the land opportunity or the tract size, we can help identify it, go through the underwriting process, and then place that deal in front of the right developers if the piece of land has development opportunity. Upstate of South Carolina, Greenville, Anderson, Spartanburg is exploding, right? So between these three subsets of markets, we'll say four with the Atlanta and Augusta wing, is the strike zone on what we're going after in the land development space. Now, land is not our only strategy, right? We're still flipping houses, we're still structuring deals, building our rental portfolio, but the land acquisition is just an additional acquisitions revenue stream that we are focusing on and building out as another source of income inside of our active real estate investing business. Now, if you want to survive in this ever-changing market, you have to stay on the forefront, right? You have to be playing a game of chess and stay ahead of the game. So adapt your strategy based on where the market's at. Focus on high-level people and relationships, and make sure that you are leaning in because the stream of opportunity is coming. With that said, if you haven't liked and subscribed to this channel already, make sure that you subscribe, smash that like button, and get the bell icon so you're updated when the newest content and videos come out. With that said, get out there and let's make it great.